Hello guys, Shamama here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you about varieties of crystals. So first going with a rose quartz. This rose quartz is an crystal related to heart chakra. It has a beautiful pale pink color. This is used for building relationship with others and with happiness. It gives some positive vibes towards love and relationship. And next is rhodonite. This rhodonite is also pertaining to heart chakra, and it's also having the ability to beautifully bond our relationship with others, either family or work related. And next, this is a selenite. It looks a waxy, it has a waxy texture. This selenite is a beautiful cleanser. It will cleanse our body and it will cleanse our space, and more importantly it will cleanse our crystals. When you keep like two crystals like this together, it will remove the impurity of this crystal also. So this selenite is a very beautiful crystal. And next, citrine. This citrine is otherwise known as merchant stone, and this crystal belong to solar plexus chakra and also sacral chakra. This will help to manifest the abundance. And next is green aventurine. This also belongs to heart chakra. This stone is a good opportunity creator, so it will help us to grow further in our career and other areas of life. And next, carnelian. This crystal is very important for fertility and other uterus related issues, and for men whatever the issues related to fertility, it will help us to clear that one. And next, this is moss agate. It's having a beautiful dark green color and white, so this can be help to regulate our blood pressure, and this will help to regain our health after very long illness like diabetes, bp. And this is holite. This holite is having white and this gray color. This will give us a good night's sleep and solves all the sleep issues. And next, angelite. This is a very rare crystal. This is available in this form. This crystal helps us to relieve our stress. It has a soothing blue color which will give us a beautiful good vibes. These vibes help us to relieve our stress and depression. It works on heart chakra, third eye, and also crown chakra. And lepidolite. This is an amazing crystal who are suffering from insomnia and other issues. This will calm the brain nerves and help us to aid a beautiful peaceful sleep. Like whatever sleep issues we are having, this unakite and lepidolite can work beautifully. And next, the crystal is red jasper. This crystal is for root chakra, and this will help us to stabilize and solve all our problem related to food, shelter, and financial stability. And again, this is an unakite. This is an amazing crystal which will help to carry our pregnancy beautifully. Like it will soothe that imbalanced pregnancy hormone. So pregnant women can keep this crystal to have a very beautiful delivery. And next, this is an tiger's eye. Amazing crystal for confidence, leadership qualities. This crystal is also help us to manifest our desires. It will boost our self confidence. And next crystal is clear quartz. Clear quartz is otherwise known as master healer, and this crystal can be used for all purpose, either for to relieve pain or to amplify our wishes, whatever it is. If there is somewhere in pain, we can keep this crystal. Not only this, any crystal if we keep the pain area, it will reduce the impact of that pain. And next is labradorite. It's having beautifully peacock flashes. This crystal helps to open our third eye chakra, and it balances the heart chakra too. It's having the amazing peacock blue flashes. You can see it. And the other crystal is turquoise. This turquoise is having a very soothing, beautiful color. It's very hard to get the turquoise crystal in this form. This helpful for peace, like wherever, if you want peace at home, office, or anywhere, or peace and calmness at our heart, we can use this turquoise. And next is bloodstone. This bloodstone can be used to relieve any blood related ailments. It will help to regulate the blood flow, and this bloodstone can be used to lower our blood pressure and whatever ailments relate anemia, anything we can relieve using this crystal. And next is sodalite. It's having a very beautiful ink blue color with gray shade and white shades, and this crystal is used to open up our throat chakra, and also it works on the third eye chakra. And this sodalite help us to clear problem related to neck region, like thyroid, or any other tonsils, or it will help us to open up our issues, like it will help us to be open ourselves with others, to easily communicate whatever our desires are. And next is amethyst. This is a popular and famous stone known by everyone. This stone help us to relieve the stress and work on the crown chakra and third eye chakra, and it will help us to elevate ourselves to our spirituality and attain higher goals in life. And this is an mahogany obsidian. All these crystals are very rare and hard to procure. This mahogany obsidian is having a beautiful maroon and black shade. This crystal can be used to stabilize our root chakra, and it will absorb all our negativity, and it will remove our stagnation of energy in our body. And also it does the ancestral healing, like whatever the genetic things we carry from our ancestor, that energy will be imprinted in our aura, that it will cleanse and help us to realize, to move forward in life without getting stagnant. So to get this pack, you can contact me with my WhatsApp number 9500324638. I'll put this number at my comment box. You can get this for buying these crystals. You can contact me. I ship all over India. I hope this is you would have got a very good idea about how crystals will look. Thank you. Subscribe and like my channel.